Myself, Professor Umashankar, working in this college since 10 years. I'm working as Associate Professor in Department of Mechanical Engineering. I'm also an NSS Program Officer since 8 years. Namaskar. Very good morning to one and all. It is my pleasure to welcome all the 22nd batch students for AMC Engineering family. On behalf of the management, principal, heads of all the department, and all the faculty members of AMC Engineering family, I once again welcome you all to the 22nd batch newcomers. I would like to give you a brief introduction about the National Service Scheme. When you look at the historical background of National Service Scheme, since independence, there has been growing awareness of the desirable of involving students in national service. The first Education Commission during 1950 recommended the introduction of national service by students on a voluntary basis. Subsequently, on the basis of suggestion made by the Prime Minister Pandit Nehru, a committee was appointed under the chairmanship of Dr. C.D. Deshmukh to prepare a scheme for compulsory national service of students prior to their admission for degree courses. Professor K.G. Saidin, who undertook a study of national service, may by introduced to voluntary services. A similar recommendation was made by the Education Commission appointed under the chairmanship of Dr. D.S. Kothari. In April 1957, the Conference of the Education Ministers recommended that the university stage students should be permitted to join the National Cadet Corps, which was already in existence on the voluntary basis. And an alternative to this could be offered to them in the form of a new program called the National Service Scheme, which is called as NSS. Promising sportsmen, however, should be exempted from both and allowed to join another scheme called the National Sports Organization, called as NSO, in view of the need to give priority to the development of sports and the athletics. The Conference of Vice Chancellors in September 1967 welcomed these recommendations and suggested that special committee of Vice Chancellors should be set up to examine these questions in detail. The details were soon worked out, and the Planning Commission sanctioned an outlay of rupees 5 crores for developing the NSS during the fourth 5-year plan of a pilot project in selecting institutions and universities. In pursuance of these recommendations, the Ministry of Education introduced the National Service Scheme during 1969-70. The choice of timing of its introduction was remarkably suspicious, as 1969 was the birth century year of Mahatma Gandhi, the father of nation, to whom social service was among a religion. The response of students to the scheme has been excellent, starting with an enrollment of 40,000 students in 1969. The coverage of NSS students has increased 40 lakhs during 2014-15. Students, you can see the background of our PPT. You can see the logo of our college, and you can see the other side, the logo of the NSS symbol, which I have told you earlier. You can see the logo and the symbol at the PPT. So here I once again would like to remind you the motto of NSS, not me but you, a community service based scheme which we undergo in our campus. Now coming to the organization setup, how the organization setup is, when looking at our national service scheme, it is the Government of India, Minister of Youth Affairs and Sports under this. There comes the Secretary to Government of India under the Department of Youth Affairs and Sports. Under the Secretary of Government of India, you can find the Government of Karnataka Ministry of Youth Empowerment and Sports will be the chairman for the State National Service Advisory Committee and the State Apex Board. Then comes the Secretary to Government Youth Empowerment and Sports Department. Then comes the State NSS Officer and ex-office Joint Secretary and NSS State Advisory Committee under all the universities of the state. Then comes the Vice Chancellor, Chairman of University NSS Service Scheme and the advisory committees. Under this comes the Register of all the universities. Then comes the program coordinators of NSS and the member secretary with the advisory committee members. Under the University of our AMC Engineering College, we come under Visvesvaraya Technological University, Belagavi. So our NSS program coordinator is Dr. Appasab. I thank Dr. Appasab. Then under the NSS program coordinator comes the college level units of all the colleges who are under the University of VTU Belagavi. So there under the college level units, the principal will be the chairman at the college level. Then comes the NSS program officer. It is myself, Professor Uma Shankar. Then comes the member secretary. Under the member secretary, we have college advisory committees. Under the college advisory committees, we have the volunteers of National Service Scheme. So coming to our college, it is started since 8 years. We are running the National Service Scheme under the logo of NSS and AMC banner. So here we can find out there are 2 units. Each and every unit consists of 50 volunteers. So the earlier batch, we have a senior batch which consists of 50 volunteers. The newly joining will be the second unit of 50 volunteers who are volunteered to serve the nation and the society. Now coming to the duties of the National Service Scheme volunteers, as a volunteer at the college level, you are going to establish the rapport with the people in the projected areas in and around the campus, identify the needs, the problems and the resources within the community, planning programs and carry out the plans, relate his learning and experience towards finding solution to the problems which we have identified and solving them, record the activities in his work diary systematically and assess the progress periodically and effect changes as and when needed. So there are 2 activities under the NSS logo. One is the regular activities and the other is the special camp. So we'll see the special camp the next slide. Coming to the regular activities under the NSS logo, it is an environmental enrichment and conservation, health, family welfare and nutrition programs, programs aimed at creating an awareness for improvement of the status of women, social service programs in and around the communities, programs for working during emergencies, adaptation of villages. As I told you, the special camping activities under the National Service Scheme. A special camping is an important activity in the National Service Scheme. It is a special camps which are held at the college and university levels for 10 days during the summer vacation or during the winter and autumn season. Breaks in rural areas and the urban areas. The normal strength of the camp is approximately 40 to 50 volunteers. So this camp is aimed or is organized as special projects for the youth development. So it is the land reforms, non-formal education, environmental improvement, afforestation, tree plantation, economic development, family and child welfare, social awareness, and so on. So now coming to the calendar of events under the NSS logo, the activities which we are going to take up under the banner of NSS at AMCEC. So usually the activities or the events which we conduct is the National Youth Day, which is usually organized on 12th of January of every year. National Youth Week, which is observed from 12th to 19th of January. The most important in our NSS is the NSS Day, which is being organized on 15th of every year, January. Republic Day, an important activity on 26th January. Women's Day is being celebrated from 2nd to 19th of every year, January. World Forest Day on 21st of March. World Health Day, 7th of April. Fire Prevention Day on 14th of April. World Labor Day on 1st May. Nutrition Week observed from 1st to 7th of May. World Environmental Day celebrated on 5th of every year, June. Vanamotsava Week is observed on 1st to 7th July of every year. World Population Day observed on 11th of July. Independence Day on 15th August. Teachers Day on 5th September. World Food Day on 16th October. UNO Day on 24th October. Traffic Week observed from 24th to 30th of October. National Integration Day on 31st of October. Children's Day on 14th of November. Mother's Day celebrated on 19th November. Environmental Awareness Month 9th to 18th of November. Weaker Sections Day on 22nd November. World's AIDS Day observed on 22nd November. International Volunteers Day on 5th of December. Human Rights Day on 10th of December. As we know that every day is an auspicious day, we do celebrate other occasions which are also not included in these events also. Now coming to some of the events which we have earlier organized in our campus and out of the campus. Aadhaar card for all was done in our campus. Yoga camps being organized in our campus for the benefit of the faculties and the students who are residing in and around our campus and with the localites. Dental checkups are being also organized for the faculties and the students. Voluntary blood donation, we organize every year, we organize volunteer blood donations. These blood donations, we do not make or we do not give the blood donation to a particular blood donation. We do donation for our Indian Red Cross Society, some of the blood organizations who are in need of blood, like our cancer hospital, Nimans, and many other hospitals which are very much necessary in blood. We do distribute certificates for the donors who donate blood for those organizations. Those organizations are also very much interested, and they do donate, they give us blood when our faculties or members or family members or of our faculties or students are under trouble. We do show the certificate to them, we get blood during emergencies. We do conduct air pollution awareness from the RTO and other local people like the police department or the traffic police. We do conduct road safety awareness. We do conduct eye checkup camps. We have a school inside our campus for the school students, for the faculty members, and the students for free. This is another blood donation camp which we have organized inside the campus. This is a photograph you can see, plantation by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam on 2nd May 2014 inside our campus. We do celebrate World Mental Health Day. We do conduct seminars. We organize awareness programs in and around the campus. We have celebrated AIDS awareness programs, legal aid to the faculty and students, counseling the students and the parents with the faculty members. This is an awareness program which was conducted by Awake India. This is a plantation program on Engineers Day which we have celebrated earlier. This is another blood donation camp which we have conducted. This is cleaning the campus with our NSS volunteers. This is Swachh Bharat from Dell Computers had come to our campus for making Swachh Bharat. This is a yoga section. Plantation by the software engineers inside our campus. Independence Day celebrated inside our campus. Plantation programs. Road safety awareness for the drivers of the colleges and the school bus drivers were brought to our campus. They were given the road safety awareness. Kannada Rajyotsava celebrated inside our campus. Republic Day celebrated. Disabled Day celebrated inside our campus. Health checkups, blood donation camp again. Self-defense for women celebrated on Women's Day. This is a fire brigade demonstration. This is a program for health. Free education for government schools on every Saturdays. The volunteers of our college, the NSS volunteers, they take up the schools. We adopt some schools nearby the volunteers. We make an MOU with the government schools. Wherever there are no teachers, for example, like computer science, mathematics, or some subjects like Kannada, Hindi, where there are no teachers, our volunteers, they go voluntarily to those schools. We teach those students and the surrounding people in and around the villages who are illiterate, who are willing to learn. We educate them. This was a laptop was missed and it was got by a volunteer. So this was returned to the person. Celebrated Republic Day inside the campus. Awareness on income tax. This is an Ayurvedic workshop conducted. Blood donation camp conducted again. So this is again NSS campus cleaning. Women's Day celebrated. NSS plantation held. Mental health awareness camp by demands. This is a relief fund for the Kerala and Kodagu, which our volunteers have done. This is One Nation Youth Celebration at RV Dental College, where our NSS volunteers had been involved in that. This is a survey of government schools, that which we have earlier seen some of the NSS volunteer teaching nearby the government schools. This is what we made the survey. First we make survey and make some MOUs with the schools to teach the school children. There's Swachh Bharat at Banarghatta Road. This is our NSS volunteers every year after the flower show at Lal Bagh. So our NSS volunteers had been there for 2 days for cleaning the Lal Bagh Botanical Garden after the flower show. This is plantation at Lal Bagh. We have an MOU with IKEA. This is a tribute for the CRPF Chawans, which we have done in our campus. Swachh Bharat at Banarghatta. Every year there is a Jatra at Banarghatta Champakadama temple. After the Jatra, it was dirty our NSS volunteers. We have been there for 2 days and we have cleaned them after the Jatra. This is another volunteer blood bank donation with our principal, Dr. A.G. Nataraj, our vice chairperson, dean, and the blood donation camp people. This is a special camp which we had been to Arsikere, a special camp which we had conducted from 4th April to 10th April 2019 with 50 volunteers at Arsikere. This is World Environment Day, International Yoga Day celebrated. One student, one tree. After every student, last year we celebrated, we made every student who comes to our campus, we were planting one sapling in their names at our campus where they wished they were given a sapling and they planted. That we made as one student, one tree. This is Independence Day program celebrated. This is flood relief fund. During the flood in the Kerala, 3 of our volunteers had been there as volunteer and they were there for nearly 10 days and they have helped the community over there. This is Raksha Bandhan. Again, a yoga class for the last year newcomers, which we did it inside the campus in our seminar hall. This was the NSS camp, which we have seen earlier, that is from 4th to 10th, which was at Arsikere. This plantation, we have another scheme or we have another idea of plantation on birthdays of all the faculty members and the students who have their birthdays. They can priorly inform the NSS program officer, their class teacher and their proctor and the principal. We all together plant a tree on their birthdays. Any chief guests who come on the occasions of any programs, they plant some trees or saplings inside our campus. These are some of those. These are some of the plantation of our faculty members. These are plantation of our chief guests. These are the chief guests or the foreign delegates who have come to our campus for conference. We have made plantations on their names and we have did this inside the campus. So these are some of the programs which are being conducted inside the campus. So we are ready, or we are with you students to help you out to become the NSS volunteers, help the nation, help the community, and become. You learn some good qualities from this. You get good contacts with the local people. You can learn some of the leadership qualities by joining us. We all together join NSS and build our nation. Thank you for your kind listening. On behalf of the management, Principal Dr. A.G. Nataraj, heads of all the departments, myself, all the faculty members, I heartily welcome you once again to the AMC group of institution, the AMC family. Thank you one and all. Thank you so much.